Hello grade R's, we're quickly going to do our writing and our number signs and then it's the weekend. But before it's the weekend, there's a special treat waiting for you from Mrs. Lechner. Yes, she's posted a French video for you. So after this, you can ask Mom to put the French song on and you can sing and dance in French with Mrs. Lechner. The first one is Noah's giraffe needs to get to the ark. Now, do we start with my Koki pen? No, no, no. First my finger, and I've got to find the right path. I'm going to go down here. I'm not allowed to cross. I'm going to go here. I'm not allowed to cross. You have to find the right path. Let's have a look. Am I going to go this way? No. Am I going to go? There we are. I found it. When I found the right path, I must go how many times with my finger? 3 times. My little finger camera is telling my brain the way to go. Then you're going to use your pencil crayon. I'm just using the dark Koki. Remember, your thumb can't be the boss. Kissing fingers, support. I want to see your froggy swim, swim, swim. I want to see your anchor hand, and then you go. You are not allowed to bounce over there and touch the black. Try not to pick up. Slowly and carefully. If you need to walk your hand, you can. There we go. And here's some rain. You can do it in blue. Maybe I'll do it in blue. Did you see I wasn't holding my Koki pen lid? I always put my lid down. My anchor hand, my froggy swim, swim. Don't hold too close, Mrs. Bray. Don't hold too far back. Just over there. And I'm going to, it was tricky. The lid was blue, but the Koki is red. Can you see how I'm doing the rain? Because in the story of Noah's Ark, the rain came down and God asked Noah to build an ark. Here, you just can start at the worm's neck or at the worm's tail. It's dot to dot, no numbers. You're going to go to the middle of the dot, the middle of the dot, the middle of the dot, and you're going to finish it. If you want to, you can color. The most important thing here is that you've got pen control. Now, pages 6 and 7. Wow, can you believe it? We're getting so far in this book, and today we're doing 1, 2, 3, 4 pages. Mom will read with you, but remember, I need your finger to point and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 1, 2, 3 children, but there are 6 feet. Trace the waves first with your finger. 3 times, every time, 3 times. No need to rush. And then you go on the line. Now you're going to count 1, 2 fish. And you're going to circle how many shells, find the correct number, and finish the activity. Get your finger and point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Read the numbers, then you can trace them. 1, remember your anchor hand, and 2. Now you're going to let the mouse go to the cheese. Finger first, round 3 times. Then the bee to the flower. I want you to use a thin pencil and stay in between the lines. Here, trace the numbers. You're going to trace these numbers from the top down. I want to hear your voices. Round, round, round. Cross, left to right. Bum, bum. Looks like bum cheeks, doesn't it? Now we're doing page 6 and 7. And page 8 and 9. You're going to trace the numbers just like you did there. You're going to count the cats. 1 cat you will circle. Now, is there an apple for each child? That's the question. Is there an apple? So this child can have this apple. This child can, I'm going to do it in red so you can see better. This child can have the apple. This child can have the apple. This child gets the apple. This child gets the apple. Did he get an apple? No. So let's go back to the question. Is there an apple for each child? My answer is no, because he did not get an apple. Here we go. Count the feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 children have 8 feet. Let's read this question. Is there an apple for each child? So it's the same. So I'm going to join. This one can have, 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 and look, I have an extra apple. What is my question? Always go back. Is there an apple for each child? Did every child get an apple? Yes. So what is my answer here? Yes. And here, same thing again, circle the correct number. When you finish this, you can watch Mrs. Lechner's video, and then you'll be done for the week. Well done, grade R's. See you on Monday. Have a wonderful weekend.